we're going to see this electrical example in here, and the idea here is how do we go about entering a transfer function from this bond graph model into Simulink. Okay, in order to do that, first let's establish our output, and let's consider our output to be the output across C2. So if that's the case, the output is going to be, the voltage is going to be C sub 8, no, C18 is that element right there. So E18 is going to be our, so let's see how this works. Let me disappear from here, and then we'll go over here. We need to look at the mouse in here, and I will build exactly as we have it on the left hand side. This is an AC, and then with the one junction in here, and then the I, and the R element. And then we have the C element over here. Am I doing the, yeah, see here, this is gonna give you number 4, and then 5 is this other one up here. So, and then we have 6 is a C element. Okay, we do number 7, which would be the R. Okay, and then we are up to number 9, which we have over here. And then we have another I element. And then you have the R element. We still have ways to complete this. And put the 0 here. And then another one. And then we have the number, you have 11, 12, we have C. I think I made a mistake. Okay, so this C belongs to this from here to here. This is number 13. So that we would like to see how it looks in the see, like this. The R element in here. No, B is over here. and then we have the one on the right hand side. Okay, there we go. We have just two more elements in here. The 16, we have 17, no 18. Where is 17? Our element. That way we'll reproduce it exactly as it is, with no errors. And then finally 18 is the C, and I would have achieved the same numbering system that I have on the slide. This would be the R element. Okay, so now we have the system. So E18 is the output, right? That's the output. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and say interface, but this time we'll go to Simulink. We know what we're trying to achieve. So so CamG and MATLAB with inter-exchange files and knowledge, and so we have CamG will produce the symbolic files for MATLAB. Let's see. So we're waiting just on MATLAB to come up, and it will contain three files. It will contain the file where you call it CamG mod for model file. It will contain the equations file, right? Let's just wait. Okay, remember it was E18 was my output, right? So we need to get the files from CamG, which should be showing up pretty soon. We should see it already. I don't understand why we don't see it, but we should see the Simulink one. Still working on, but they are in here. It's in CamG. When you work with Simulink, yeah, there you go. See, it took a while. So let me show you. See, now the computer gave us two numbers, the initialization file and the numeric file, and also gave us this, and gave us this. So you have two Simulink examples in here. Okay, so you have it in this way. If you double click over here, see the computer says numerator and the denominator. It doesn't know. So to be able to let it know, we have to go in here into the CAMG initialization file for Simulink and pick like the variable that we want as an output. Okay, so we're gonna go find E18 was the one. E18, yeah, and it finds it just like before. So in here we go like this, and then you have a 1 like this. Okay, where is it? Okay, this is a 1, and then we're gonna put here also a 1, and then this also a 1. So there was one other statement that we no, I think we're fine in here. Okay, so what we do is if we run this, what will happen? The computer on column 11 line 15, what do we do there? Oh, because we don't have the numbers, you see. So this is what I wanted to show you, that we need these numbers in here. We need the numbers right there, these ones. Okay, so what I would do is, because we kept the same numbers, we can paste them here, and then we'll call it like this, and then these ones we're going to comment this like that, and then we're gonna run it. See now let's see, how do we do this? Yeah, these are the, you see, these are the C and the D matrix. So in here, if you go to Simulink like this, and you click over here, now that has been initialized, you double click in here, you should see the plot, and you come here and let's just put it together. Sorry, we'll run it over here, right there, and it will take a moment. We have a one of the parameters in here we need to correct this, but this is the way it works in here. Okay, we'll stop now.